everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing a very easy, fantastic, yummy kheer made out of exotic ice apple or tartaning as we call it. And why do I call it special? Because my daughter Jyotsna will explain it even a more better way. So Jyotsna.
Hello everyone. So today what my mother is going to do is a very delicious kheer, and that kheer can be even made by children of my age. So now let's see how my mother will do it.
And the speciality, Jyotsna, of this kheer is it involves no cooking absolutely at all. And one more thing, children always while cooking or when they are in the kitchen should be always supervised by adults. Children, please do cooking, enjoy cooking, but under adults supervision. Okay, so let's see the ingredients, what is required. So the ingredients required to make this ice apple or tartaning kheer is the star ingredient, tartaning, and the proportion, please make a note, it should be 1 cup of chopped tartaning, 1 cup of chopped mangoes. This is the puree, 1 cup of puree, tartaning puree. This is half a cup of almond powder, 1 cup sugar powder, and this is about 10 to 12 almonds sliced or chopped into fine pieces, and this is 2 cups milk. Now first of all I am going to show you how to de-skin the tartaning or ice apple which is available. Actually this is available just in the form of a coconut, and you can just smash it, and when you open it you will find 3 of them, and this is how you can make the use of a knife, or if it is like really very tender you can peel it with the help of a hand only. So this is how you peel it. So it comes off quite easily. So this is a very good fruit which is very tasty, very yummy, and if it's like really fresh, there is some liquid, there is some water also present inside the fruit. Yeah, Jyotsna, do you want to try peeling this fruit? Do you?
Yes, of course.
Yeah, try it. Is it easy?
Yeah, it is easy.
Okay, so this is how we peel the fruit.
Mama, but I didn't understand one thing.
Yeah.
What do we call tartaning in English?
It is known as ice apple, and the speciality of this tartaning is it's available only in the summer season. Okay.
Now it is my favorite. Tartaning and mangoes are super, and I really love them to eat in summers.
Okay, Jyotsna. So let's go to the next step. This is how, and it's very easy to chop them. This is how you chop them. So as I already told, we need 1 cup of puree. After you chop them, you can churn it in the mixer. We need 1 cup of chopped tartaning and 1 cup of puree. So this is how it looks like after they are chopped. So let us start the procedure. And anyway, you all have noted down the proportion and the ingredients. So I'll be telling a few benefits of the ice apple. So always what I want to tell is, so go on adding all the ingredients into the bowl, a clean bowl. And here you might be wondering, why am I using mango? Mango is being used mainly for 2 reasons. One is to make it look attractive, and the other, children love mangoes either ways. Even if they like say, Mom, what is it? Is it a new fruit or something? When as soon as they see mango, they will be, and this is the pulp, they will be overwhelmed to have it. So just slightly give it a mix so that all the ingredients are mixed properly. Then add in this is the almond powder, half a cup of almond powder. Mix it well. This is the powdered sugar. Sugar can vary according to your taste. If the mangoes what you are using are really very sweet, you can cut down the usage of sugar. You can reduce the quantity. These are the chopped almonds. So the speciality of the ice apple is it enhances the immunity system of the body, and believe me, it's a natural weight loss ingredient, wherein because the ice apple has water in it, and it aids in digestion, it heals constipation. So all these factors boost your energy, and they help in aiding weight loss. And lastly, we add 2 cups of milk slowly. And this milk is already boiled and cooled milk. Don't add hot milk to this. This is boiled and cooled milk. Go on stirring. Our kheer is ready. Isn't it very simple? And we shall dish it out. So let us just dish it out. The reason we have used powdered sugar is because it's an instant, no cooking kheer.
Wow, Ma.
Here it is. And now Jyotsna.
Wow, Ma. It's really awesome, and I love this. The cutie pies, mangoes, startering. So now I'm really waiting for taste it. So I'm gonna taste it first. Wonderful. It is the best kheer I have eaten till now.
So, children and moms and dads, come on, it's high time you prepare this kheer and enjoy it. Bye bye for now.